All right there. Well, a lot of clarity there from Mr. Alatishe. What is that time where we look at figures from the Exchange Limited, and the market is starting after 2 days holiday in the week. It's starting the week this Wednesday, positive 0.99%. Top gainers for today, we have Okomo Oil, we have Nigerian Breweries PLC, we have Presco, we have Etana Oil, we have Fitson. Top losers for today, O&O at Transnational, Nationwide, I beg your pardon, Express PLC, and we have Regalings, we have Mansard, we have Ikeja Hotels. If you get up, how is it going? Mr. Fakayejo was really optimistic yesterday when he spoke to us about trading and what we should expect. And we are starting 0.99% on the high side. Your reaction to this?
It's very nice that the market has stayed positive close to 4 weeks now. And we see this almost 1% trading for today, just after the holidays, goes to say that during the holidays, investors, fund managers, they were doing a lot of analysis, and you see them, they are picking securities from, the big cap firms. Think of the likes of Transcorp, Access Group, Stanbic IBTC, Sterling, Okomo Oil, Nigerian Breweries. These are very good companies that any day they attract the hands of investors, and putting all of them in one basket and then running for profit. It is something for any fund manager to go for. Why we are seeing this positive trend this way, I guess it's the difficulty that people have experienced in doing businesses out there. And so those of them who are conscious of the functions of the stock markets, when they have investable funds, they go keep in the markets into the kitties of all these big companies and then relax. Opportunities exist so long as these companies are still, doing business as it is. And we are only hoping that the larger economic environment gets better, like in terms of providing infrastructure for these companies to do much better. The sky seems to be the limit. The problem now is, for many people, they talk about investable funds. That's the only thing. While the companies playing in the market talk about access to good infrastructure services to enable them do production, with easy conditions. So those are the things happening. If you talk of government policies, we have almost forgotten about government policies because of inconsistency, and now politics taking the scene. People seem to, relax, and so the stock market holds the ace as at this time. So if you now talk about, let's look at Okomo Oil Palm and Presco.
Okay.
The two of them operate from the agricultural space sectors.
Yeah.
But think of two big quoted companies in the sector.
And they are both gainers for today.
Very, very big. Okomo and Presco, they do very well. They have huge plantations in Edo State, and they have so many kinds of products that they are servicing area.
Wow.
But the example that we are seeing that these two companies present is, if we were to pay very good attention to agriculture and give them enabling environment, you could imagine what they have.
Yeah, clearly.
What they have produced in these companies, not only being used in Nigeria, majority of them, they sell in the overseas market and in foreign exchange. If you had opportunity to go down that area and you see hectares of, there are so many of plantations, and the way they carry this thing all around, it's very interesting. But we generally, to look by my knowledge, I think we are paying lip services to agricultural production, and that's the reason why we are talking
I think it's because long years of ignoring that sector to oil boom took over. So I think now rebuilding or revamping that sector is something that will really take a while. Just like what we have with our oil and gas industry. No refineries for a long time, and now we are, the price of crude is on the high side. we can't even get benefits from that.
You know, plantations, those trees planted, they live for so many years, and they bring regular funds to the owners or the families. So we have all this fertile land. So why not we pay attention to that?
Oh, thank you so much, Effiong. As usual, we'll continue to do our job, educate Nigerians, and let them know the way things are. We pray that policymakers and, of course, government representatives take a cue from some of these points that we always raise on this show.
We'll do it again tomorrow.